Imagine a CRM so powerful, it transforms every interaction, automates routine tasks with AI, and grows with you from startup scrappiness to enterprise scale. Meet Salesforce CRM. Let's see if it lives up to the legacy, or maybe outgrows it. Salesforce is the world's most popular CRM, built to centralize sales, service, marketing, and commerce workflows, all on a single cloud platform. Whether you're a fresh startup or a global enterprise, Salesforce promises versatility, scalability, and AI-enhanced intelligence. In this review, we'll highlight its features, pricing tiers, pros, cons, and help you figure out if it's the right fit for your team. Salesforce brings everything under one roof: contact, lead, and opportunity management. Track every client touchpoint, manage pipelines visually, and automate workflows. Quote to cash and forecasting. Automate quotes, pricing, approvals, and forecast performance with precision. AI and automation. Agentforce. From predictive lead scoring to email generation and pipeline insights, AI is deeply integrated. Omni-channel engagement. Support customers directly from CRM via chat, email, or social, backed by AI-powered responses. Reports and dashboards. Customizable visual analytics provide real-time insights across teams. App exchange and customization. Tap into thousands of third-party apps or build your own modules. Trailhead and community support. Learn how to use Salesforce fast and tap into a global community for help. Here's how the current Salesforce CRM pricing looks. Starter Suite, $25 user per month, basic marketing, sales, service, and storefront tools, great for small teams. Pro Suite, $100 user per month, adds customization, automation, quoting, forecasting, and app exchange access. What users love: unmatched customization and scalability. Configure exactly what you need: objects, flows, apps, and scale across geographies. AI-driven productivity. Features like AI forecasting, lead scoring, and Agentforce help teams work smarter. Strong analytics, real-time dashboards, analytics, and decision support illuminate trends like never before. Global ecosystem. Trailhead and App Exchange offer powerful learning and extension paths that keep Salesforce fresh and accessible. Where it falls short: pricey and complex. Costs escalate quickly when adding users, storage, integrations, or AI components. Steep learning curve. Configuring advanced workflows and automation often requires certified experts. Modern UI versus functionality gap. The interface isn't always intuitive. Frequent upgrades may create confusion. Budget-friendly alternatives exist. For startups or simple sales teams, more cost-effective CRMs with less complexity may be a better match. Salesforce CRM is a powerhouse platform that stands out in flexibility, AI integration, and enterprise support. If you need a future-proof CRM that can transform with your business and you're ready to invest the time and budget, it can be a game changer. But if simplicity and cost are your priorities, it may offer more than you need. Salesforce isn't just a CRM, it's a complete, AI-powered business ecosystem, powerful, customizable, and scalable, but best for teams ready for its complexity and value. If this review helped you, tap like, subscribe, and share in the comments. Are you tackling picking the right CRM or already scaling within Salesforce? Let's solve it together. See you in the next one.